Hello viewers of those seeing one saw in kipah kan bolove tunin jong entertainment video no anu khat ne veu ten na chi video hi zanin khwa chu kan pa nei tan na message so he tuina chu editing kan bola to ahin ve diuvin ten na chi video chu piam tele in thumbnail hwa jong im taw ven na
Bring message
ka bol na hi in chi video hi anup na thei channel video ten na piam comment ho vela elo le ilung gel ho apalo chi gel po ten anup nan la so keu ten na kelkiti hi anup na imbol ting le min anup na in bena tot line la pya le chana anum jin khat tot na langai sima min serious ta in la an la ji na pya apalo la langan la chan asim ho ai ja num ji lo na ahin la asim ho ke ho lunggel jam tela cho ko na mi khalen ni be anu ya ke pa la ti hen na cha cho video hi thanom ta ni le din tin kiseiset ho wang bo ten na thanom ta enjoy ta ni le de comment na jong hoi chi ben chun comment in reply hoi pe nam ti chun ni le de na kan ngai e ya ho message mi som ni wal ka ta men na ni cho chu ni ti reply vam ti cho ba ni cha ni video he te o ni ve ta te
over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
hello video sa na yum du katahsanin event no mobile ya please share bolotin like ang bolotin comment jong hin piutin na ilung gel hun seutin hoi nam phanam piti nam jo san hin seutin gel to pi be se jong hi pon just for entertainment hin na video ban chit le ai sang hoi jol pa jong hin bol du na ji chun ahung lu tha ne la subscribe bol lang notification ola hình quay lang na banding le dam silang chung ki tawte dam silvo